Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic Toasted English by R.K. Narayan on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Toasted English has been written by dash dash. The options are A. O. Henry, B. K. R. Narayan, C. R. K. Narayan, or D. R. K. Lakshman. The correct option is R. K. Narayan. Question number 2. What is the lifespan of R. K. Narayan? The options are A. 1906 to 2001, B. 1905 to 2000, C. 1911 to 2020, or D. 1910 to 2011. The correct option is A. 1906 to 2001. Question number 3. R. K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand and Raja Rao are the Indian English novelists of dash dash generation. The options are A. Second, B. First, C. Third, or D. Fourth. The correct option is B. First. Question number 4. R. K. Narayan has published more than dash dash novels and his works have been translated into several Indian and European languages. The options are A. 5, B. 10, C. 11, or D. 20. The correct option is B. 10. Question number 5. Which famous novel of R. K. Narayan is filmed and won a Filmfare Award for Best Film? The options are A. The Financial Expert, B. The Bachelor of Arts, C. Swami and Friends, or D. The Guide. The correct option is D. The Guide. Question number 6. Dash is an imaginary town created by R. K. Narayan used to form the setting of his works. The options are A. Malgudi, B. Hyderabad, C. Mumbai, or D. Calcutta. The correct option is A. Malgudi. Question number 7. R. K. Narayan is well known for his simple language and dash dash. The options are A. Plots, B. Realistic setting and characters, C. Dialogues, or D. Titles. The correct option is B. Realistic settings and characters. Question number 8. R. K. Narayan is compared to the American writer dash dash for his compassionate or sympathetic humanism and celebration of ordinary life. The options are A. Mark Twain, B. Toni Morrison, C. William Faulkner, or D. Henry James. The correct option is C. William Faulkner. Question number 9. Toasted English is a dash dash essay on different varieties of English. The options are A. Half humorous and half serious, B. Humorous, C. Serious, or D. Ironic. The correct option is A. Half humorous and half serious. Question number 10. Toasted English shows the difference between dash dash. The options are A. American and British culture, B. American and Indian English, C. American and British people, or D. American and British English. The correct option is D. American and British English. Question number 11. Toasted English is written in dash dash style with brilliant examples. Options are A. Serious, B. Ironic, C. Humorous, or D. Argumentative. The correct option is C. Humorous. Question number 12. Americans led the English dash dash though they drove the British out. The options are A. Forbid, B. Prohibit, C. Banned, or D. Flourish or prosper. The correct option is D. Flourish or prosper. Question number 13. Americans simplified the usage of English by doing away with the dash dash. Options are A. Active voice, B. Passive voice, C. Reported speech, or D. Gender system. The correct option is B. Passive voice. Question number 14. Americans use keywords such as dash dash anywhere and in any context. The options are A. Toasted English, muffins and check. B. Okay, don't enter and newly planted. C. Sorry, please and thank you. Or D. Okay, check and fabulous. The correct option is D. Okay, check and fabulous. Question number 15. According to R.K. Narayan, English has a dash dash in London. The options are A. Market status, B. Bazaar status, C. Share market status, or D. Apna Bazaar status. The correct option is B. Bazaar status. Question number 16. Finally, R.K. Narayan concludes his essay by advocating a dash dash of English in post-independence India. The options are A. Asian brand, B. Hindustan brand, C. India brand, or D. Bharat brand. The correct option is D. Bharat brand. Question number 17. R.K. Narayan feels that, like American English, Indian English should have its own flavor and idiom and there should be a dash dash about it. The options are A. English stamp, B. Videshi stamp, C. Swadeshi stamp, or D. Foreign stamp. The correct option is C. Swadeshi stamp. Question number 18. American people use a dash dash form of British English. Options are A. Suspicious, B. Difficult, C. As it is, or D. Modified or developed. The correct option is D. Modified or developed. Question number 19. In America, instructions at public places are dash dash. The options are A. Direct, B. Indirect, C. Ambiguous, or D. Suspicious. The correct option is A. Direct. Question number 20. In India, instructions for the public are dash dash. Options are A. Simple, B. Long-winded, lengthy and verbose, which is formal. Option C. Direct, or D. Informal. The correct option is B. Long-winded or lengthy and verbose. Question number 21. In England, even everyday activities are transacted or performed in a very dash dash manner. Options are A. Direct, B. Meticulous, C. Informal, or D. Formal. The correct option is D. Formal. Question number 22. In The Toasted English, R.K. Narayan propounds or suggests the dash dash. Options are A. Development of Indian English, B. Development of American English, C. Development of British English, or D. Growth of modern Indian languages. The correct option is A. Development of Indian English. Question number 23. The only thing American could not abandon along with other British things is dash dash. The options are A. English style, B. English formality, C. English traditions, or D. English language. The correct option is D. English language. Question number 24. According to R.K. Narayan, toasted English means dash dash. The options are A. British English with necessary modifications required for local sensibility, B. Formal English, C. Informal English, or D. English manners. The correct option is A. British English with necessary modifications required for local sensibility. Question number 25. Toasted English emphasizes to encourage and guide Indians to use the dash dash of English. The options are A. American brand, B. Bharat brand, C. English brand, or D. Bazaar status brand. The correct option is B. Bharat brand. Question 26. The meaning of check girl in American English is one who take care of dash dash. The options are A. Cook, B. Maid, C. Anything you ask her to take care of, or D. Washerwoman. The correct option is C. Anything you ask her to take care of. Question 27. American restaurants not changed the name of English dash dash because they have given a sort of concession to their origin. The options are A. Muffins, B. Cake, C. Butter, or D. Pizza. The correct option is A. Muffins. Question 28. Americans did not abandon English language though they abandoned British dash dash. The options are A. Formalism, B. Uniform, C. Style, or D. Weapons. The correct option is A. Formalism. Question 29. American English is dash dash as compared to British English. Options are A. More complicated and less informal, B. More complicated and more informal, C. Formal and informal, or D. Less complicated and more informal. The correct option is D. Less complicated and more informal. Question number 30. Americans use dash dash instead of trespassing prohibited. The options are A. Newly planted, go straight, B. Not planted, don't walk, C. Newly planted, don't walk, or D. New arrival, don't walk. The correct option is C. Newly planted, don't walk. Question 31. When you block somebody's way unnecessarily, Americans say dash dash. Options are A. Excuse me, B. Sorry, C. Thank you, or D. Well done. The correct option is A. Excuse me. Question number 32. According to R.K. Narayan, the mongrelization of English can be prevented by respecting the rules of law and maintaining the dash dash. Options are A. Dignity of phonology, B. Dignity of grammar, C. Dignity of morphology, or D. Dignity of semantics. The correct option is B. Dignity of grammar. Question number 33. In the American restaurants, they call for dash dash referring to English muffins though they are made in America. The options are A. Roasted English, B. Fried English, C. Toasted English, or D. Different English. The correct option is C. Toasted English. Question number 34. Americans use the term toasted English because dash dash. Options are A. It has gone through a process of toasting, B. They like English rulers, C. They hate English people, or D. They love native English. The correct option is A. It has gone through a process of toasting. Question number 35. The traffic signs at pedestrian crossings in America, they use words like dash dash. Options are A. Please, you are not allowed to go, B. Excuse me and get out, C. Please and sorry, or D. Go and wait. The correct option is D. Go and wait. Question number 36. Dash dash, a busy television personality does not like to be disturbed by visitors. The options are A. Bradley Cooper, B. Tom Hanks, C. Mark Stevens, or D. Robert Redford. The correct option is C. Mark Stevens. Question number 37. In American English, dash dash means I'll find out, investigate, examine, scrutinize, verify, or probe. The options are A. I'll see, B. I'll check, C. I'll go, or D. I'll attend. The correct option is B. I'll check. Question number 38. In American English, dash dash means your ticket, token, or whatever you may have to produce. The options are A. Your check, B. Your box, C. Your bus fare, or D. Your license. The correct option is A. Your check. Question 39. In American English, dash dash means a room where you live your possessions for a while. The options are A. Hotel room, B. Lodge room, C. Check room, or D. Private room. The correct option is C. Check room. Question number 40. In American English, check-in and check-out means dash dash. The options are A. Come and go, B. Arrival in a hotel and departure from hotel, C. Arrival in a college and departure from college, or D. Do not disturb us. The correct option is B. Arrival in a hotel and departure from hotel. Question number 41. Americans use okay instead of dash dash. The options are A. Okay, B. All is well, C. All is not well, or D. Everyone is well. The correct option is A. Okay. Question number 42. On a London bus, the conductor instead of crying ticket, ticket says dash dash. The options are A. Thank you, B. Sorry, C. Excuse me, or D. Why don't you give amount of your ticket? The correct option is A. Thank you. Question number 43. What is the meaning of the word muffins? The options are A. Biscuits, B. Sandwich, C. Kind of tea cake, or D. Tandoor roti. The correct option is C. Kind of tea cake. Question number 44. What do you mean by where English has a bizarre status? The options are A. Where English is the language of the common people, B. Language spoken in bazaar, C. Language spoken in market, or D. Language spoken for education. The correct option is A. Where English is the language of the common people. Question number 45. In what sense R.K. Narayan used the term mongrelization? The options are A. Mixture of different language, B. Differences between two languages, C. Similarities between two languages, or D. American and British English. The correct option is A. Mixture of different language. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.